Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel. Where today guys, I'll be showing you how to export your project on Descript. So guys, the first thing that you first need to do is go to Google and type in descript.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Descript if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see, in the left side of the screen, we have the project, quick recordings, we have the AI speakers and templates, we have the workspace here. In the top right corner, we have, as you can see, the settings and the new projects also in the top right corner. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and export your project on Descript. So first of all, when you go into project, so click a new project, you can click a video project or audio, whatever. In the top right corner on the interface, click on the export button. Then a window will appear where you can select the export format. You can export your project as an MP4 or GIF, as an MP3 and other audio formats. You can do it as text, docs, or SRT file. Depending on your format you choose, you can adjust these settings such as resolution, frame rate, quality, and more. Once you've configured these settings, click the export button to start the export process. Choose the destination for the folder, computer you want to save, and export the file and click save. And these steps will help you go and publish your, of course, project. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.